All right, folks, here we go. Tuesday morning, 6 o'clock here in Chicago. We're ready to go. We've got the Murphy's Bleachers sweatshirt on. It's going to be a great day. Right now, markets are in the red. Dow Jones down 150. Tech stocks really getting leaned on. They were down nearly 1% yesterday. So getting a bit of a pullback after these couple weeks where the stock market just keeps going up and up and up and up, hitting record highs. We're starting to see a bit of a pullback. We're still in the midst of earnings season. We've got Netflix reporting after the close today. We've got J&J, Procter & Gamble reporting before the open. So a lot of big S&P 500 companies reporting could shake these markets up. Jump over to FX. Look at the dollar. 7-week low in the dollar. Euro up above 1.20, pressing up against 1.21. British pound pressing up against 1.39. Seeing a lot of weakness in that dollar as we're coming off those highs in interest rates that we saw in March. And we're seeing positive momentum in Europe and abroad with vaccines and just general momentum in their economies. Now, May 4th is our next free virtual educational event at Nadex. It's an all-day event. For those who haven't attended in the past, you can watch the archived versions on YouTube. Go to nadex.com, sign up today. It's free. We're going to talk about how to trade both gold and oil. So we're going to get into those precious metals and commodities. It's time to go get some. Everybody have a great day today. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.